For a man who loves football and wants to do something for this game, Baichung Bhutia, who has started football schools in his name, BBFS, announced the launch of an university level tournament across 5 cities in association with real estate firms. The University Football League, to be held between October and December this year, will see 80 colleges in 5 cities. However, the former captain stated that he is trying to encourage youngsters at college and university level.
I think we're trying to, obviously, University Football League is something which we want to encourage a lot of college and university students to still give them an opportunity to become professional players, and hopefully, if some of them are really talented, go on to play for India as well. I think there's huge talent and within colleges, universities, but I think during the school days or during that age, they don't, a lot of them want to become professional footballers and they don't get that opportunity. So I think this is one more opportunity to, for them to play in universities and colleges. And at the same time, I think also we want them to go on, if not at least become professionals, they go on to support the game once they become CEOs or, bureaucrats in different, in different departments.
The winners and runners up will get rupees 10 and 5 lakh respectively, while the losing semi finalists would take home rupees 2.5 lakh each. Marquee players of Indian football, Bhutia feels UFL is the right platform and it would help to find out talented players at this level.
It's very difficult to say what kind of, but we are expecting, I hope, the best of talent does come out, because I think colleges and universities still have a lot of good footballers who've not had that opportunity and got an opportunity from professional clubs. So I'm hoping that there will be a lot of talented players and good players coming out, and it's for us, for us to give that platform. UFL is where we want to give them the platform to compete and showcase their talent.
According to Baichung Bhutia, competition at college and university level will help the youngsters to become professional footballers.
Absolutely, I would encourage, and it's going to be his completely individual decision. But yes, we would. The main reason to do University Football League is to encourage a lot of good footballers still wanting to make career out of sports. But I'm sure they can balance, which is not impossible. They still can balance their studies and still go on to become professional footballers.